This is how you leave a track day. All right, guys. You guys ready to go home?
Yeah.
Did you have a fun time?
Yeah.
Did you get to go around the racetrack?
Yeah.
Hey YouTube, here we are at Lime Rock. This is the last track day of the season. We are doing our final test of the Mark 7 project car for 2018. We have a 034 Stage 2 tune in the car, as well as some awesome Ferodo brake pads, the DS2500s. So we can brake a little later and we go a little faster down the straightaway. It's like 40 degrees right now, so the track temps aren't really where they need to be either. So we're gonna go out there and we're gonna try to get this lap time under 1 minute. A lot of balancing the car there. Don't like how much the traction control is controlling the car there. Or there. That might be it right there. Came out, we have new brake pads in the car. We have Ferodo 2500, DS2500s. A little noisy on the street, but I'll tell you what, I'm braking at the 3 marker and it's fine with it. Brakes feel amazing, tucking it right in. Minimal ABS engagement, really not so bad. Although I keep getting a check engine light that's not supposed to come on with the Stage 2 tune. The catalytic converter efficiency below threshold. The problem is the tune is supposed to delete these. So unfortunately we don't have enough Wi-Fi here to plug into the car and verify everything's working properly with the tune.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
All right, everyone, I know what you're thinking. The car did not go faster. We put a Stage 2 tune on the car. We put different brakes in the car. It should have gone faster. 2 reasons why it didn't go faster. A, I messed up. The tune was actually not on the car. I went through the whole process of installing the tune. Unfortunately, it didn't get uploaded onto the car, and that's why the check engine light came on. We just didn't have as much power, so we're still running the stock maps. B, track conditions. The track was not as good as it should have been. There was snow in the morning, just cold temperatures. Track was not that great. That said, the brakes were absolutely awesome. Light years better than the stock brake pads. A must-do for any car seeing some track time. We have exciting plans for this car for next year. We're going to finally get a Stage 2 tune on it and go to Lime Rock and tell you what it can do the way we hoped to this video. We're also going to go beyond that. So we're going to be doing more to the suspension on this car, more to the brakes, more sort of aero bits and some fun stuff to get it a little bit closer to those cool TCR cars behind us, but still streetable and a car you can drive to work every day. Sorry we did not get the tune on the car, completely my fault. Please join us for 2019. We have a super exciting year. We're campaigning our 2 TCRs in TC America again. We're super excited about that. We can't wait to share all of this new content with you between the race cars, the project cars, all of this stuff. So stay tuned and Happy New Year.